What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Happy Sunday, everybody. And what do we have today? Nothing but Pixel news. Let's check it out. First story of the day. I should have mentioned this yesterday, but it just went over my head. Anyways, if you want to know what comes officially in the box with the Pixel 4 and 4 XL phone, here is what comes inside the box. So you're going to get the phone, obviously one phone. You're also going to get a USB-C cable. You can see USB-C to USB-C 2.0 cable. You also get a power adapter, 18 watt USB-C charger. So it's not as fast as what you get with Samsung out of the box. Samsung's 25 watt. And then you can buy a additional one for slightly faster for 45 watt. It also comes with a quick switch adapter. So when you want to transfer your data over from one phone to your Pixel phone, you can do that with this tool. It also comes with a SIM tool, so you can pop out your SIM card. And then lastly, a quick start guide to go over how to use your phone. Now, two things that are missing from this that might disappoint people. One, a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter. This did come with the phone the last couple of years. It does not this year. I kind of understand why they're doing this, kind of understand why they're not. I would still like them to see them do this for the next few years, but it looks like, as you know, Samsung didn't do it, Apple doesn't do it now, and now Pixel phones don't do it as well. So if you're gonna want regular headphones, you're gonna have to purchase an extra adapter. It's only like $7 or $8 on Best Buy. I'll link it down below if you want to pick one up. I've actually already done a video on this kind of thing. But yeah, kind of unfortunate that the adapter doesn't come in the box. The other thing that doesn't come inside the box, and it did last year, USB-C headphones. So no headphones, no adapter to use older headphones. So you're gonna have to use your own headphones or purchase your headphones. Most people at this point own Bluetooth headphones, but if you want wired headphones and you don't have any, you're gonna have to purchase them or an adapter. So kind of unfortunate, but something to keep in mind if you're deciding to get the Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL. And then lastly, this tweet comes from Evan Blass. He put out a pricing update for Canada. So Canada, obviously, we'll go through the American pricing, but you can see Pixel 4 phone pricing is for the 64 gig. It's $1049 for the 128. It's $1199, so $150 more for extra 128 for extra double the storage. And then if you want the 4XL 64, it's $1199, which is the same price as the 4 128. And then for the 4XL, it's $1359. Now you can see its conversion, it's about 75 cents American per Canadian dollar. So American prices are gonna be slightly lower. And then as you can see, the American price is a little bit less. You can get it for the 64 4 is $788, the 4 128 is $901, the 4XL 64 is $901, and then the 4XL 128 is $1021. Now these are just rumored pricing. This is something he's getting from a quote unquote source. So keep in mind these prices might be different. I feel like at this point these prices are too high. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe the phone's gonna blow me away when I play with it, but the prices do seem kind of high for a phone that's going to try to compete with iPhones and other Galaxy phones and whatever other phone that's very, very popular out there. It's competing against OnePlus, which is a lower price than these phones. So we'll see how it turns out. Maybe the prices will be lower. Maybe the phone will be completely amazing in every regard. But yeah, just something to keep in mind with the prices. They might be kind of high again this year. Same as the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, what do you guys think about the pricing for the Pixel 4 and 4 XL? If these prices stand, is this still a phone you're gonna get even though the prices are slightly high, or is it something you will wait until they drop in price when they have a sale or what? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys down the road. Peace!